everyone! In response to the now viral BBC food video on the egg fried rice, I wanted to share my way of cooking jasmine rice in a pot. Jasmine rice is my go-to rice for making fried rice, but the key to making any fried rice is to use leftover rice, meaning whenever you want rice, cook a little bit more and use the leftover rice the day after to make fried rice. And if you're looking for your favorite fried rice recipe, check out my other video for a vegan fried rice that was from my mother growing up in Hong Kong in the 50s. It's packed with umami flavors. So check that out after watching this video. See you! In order to make 1 cup of rice, you need a medium-sized pot with a lid. Start by measuring out 1 cup of white jasmine rice. Put it directly in the pot and use this pot to rinse under cold tap water for 3 times. To rinse rice, you don't need any fancy equipment, just fill up about this much. Just use your hands. Drain that. You see how much starch is coming out? You do it 3 times. Now you're ready to add water. With 1 cup of rinsed white jasmine rice, you want to add 1 cup of cold tap water and 3/4 of a cup. That's about half. And that's about 3/4. Move it around to make sure that it covers, there's no rice on the edge. The other is use the hand test, which is you should have enough water to just cover your knuckles. You see that? High heat for about 6 minutes, covered, and wait for it to boil. Once it starts boiling, uncover, give it a quick stir to make sure no rice is stuck to the bottom of the pot. Now reduce down to a simmer and cook covered for 10 minutes. While it's simmering, if it's boiling over and coming over the side of the pot, use the chopstick trick and let that continue cooking. At the end of the 10 minutes, the key is now to turn off the heat. Don't open the lid, don't fluff, don't touch the rice, because if you do it now, it will mush up the rice. And so just let it be. At the end of the 10 minutes, uncover and fluff your rice. Really fun way to plate your rice. Is to use a bowl and flip it over, and now you can put your favorite dish to serve with it.